DJ Lemonhead, trap certified, no boy, from me, baby, my favorite tune, choice, kicks, wet dream. Double dust champ of the world, Corbin Blue on them bitches, DJ Lemonhead, aka Eddie L. Kane.
It's your boy, y'all thug, man. Double on, who's something, boy, look out for that mixtape, just get started, just drop. Lemonhead hosting. Shout out to Rewind Music.
Super shout out to Texas, Houston already, you know. Little Texas, what they call me. You know, just up and coming. Just look out for them. You gonna see.
What up? It's your boy Don Rocky, man. Was cracking out here in the Springs, man. You know, we out here moving, trying to get it in like we supposed to. You know what I mean? 719 all day, what's happening? Shit, man. I got that long-awaited GD about to drop. Everybody been waiting on that shit, man. I had to push it back, make sure everything right. But shit'll be out in the next few months, you know what I mean? Shit slapping all the way through like it's supposed to.
Already, baby.
You know, shit, a few more videos coming out, tour, all type of shit. And, you know, trying to keep moving this shit.
What's happening, man? It's your boy Tick. You already know, man. But fuck my nigga, man. Let's get this shit going do the sound shit. You already know, man. Hey, nigga, don't be doing that shit, dog. See that nigga, yo? That's called that photo block right there. Hashtag photo block. Real nigga shit, though, man. You already know, niggas out here with that movement shit, man. Fuck with niggas, man. All Star NT, man. Nigga, Baltar Records, boy. We in here. Cut Gang, nigga. Diesel Music, boy.
We ain't never gonna stop, and we ain't never getting up.
Money on my mind, yeah, Bill got to get paid. I got to get paid, I got to get paid, I got to
live my life the way I should.
If a nigga try me, I wish he would, I wish he would, I wish he would.
I just be kicking it, busting it up on some different shit. Even though it's just the beginning, I can tell it's gonna be ridiculous. I'm already slithering, it's just too many women that I might end up with anyone. I can't see any differences. I'm so gone, I hope I ain't around no enemies. I'm probably spazzed out and just blame it on the Hennessy. I really can't find anything, my phone can barely hear it ring. Can't ask me about last night because last night it takes my memory alive.
Somebody do the dishes, cook and work up in the kitchen. Work my shit, that shit listen. Ain't my business. Trying to top of you niggas. No keeping my ignition. Push your button, that bitch dipping. Ain't my missing. I take your horse, she missing. I'm a damn magician. Make that nigga come missing. Ain't my missing. I tried to top of these haters. Got chasing 31 flavors. Sorry, ma, I'm fresh out of favors.
Money by the minute, I know these haters, man, but I can never change your vision, man. I'm just trying to get it, I'm just trying to get it, I'm just trying to get it, I'm just trying to get it. Good bonus was a turn, then you niggas is sick, put money over bitches, ignore the ignorance in every man. I'm just trying to get it, I'm just trying to get it, I'm just trying to get it, I'm just trying to get it.
Ain't ready yet. Shit, damn it. You got that 4 shots down, though. I want to do that shit too, but you got the editor, the whole version with your shit on it. I got it on the flash, but he said it don't work on the flash. Yeah, I need that track though too. I'm gonna do that.
You down?
Yeah, the burn shit up all over. Just okay. Just push it on the shell, I'll rip it off. Oh yeah, just put it on. Alright, fellas.
Shit, I gotta be up at 6.
Oh shit, I see you more.
Oh, yeah. Come on, nigga, let me hit on the 1 and 2s.
So, not yet. Tomorrow, you'll get more tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Take it away. www.djlemonhead.com.